is a clear air, sunny demonstration of what would usually take place on a horrible weather night at sea, sometimes freezing temperatures. And as they circle around, responding to a downed boater, they're searching for the survivor. Today's crew of 4 is commanded by Lieutenant Commander Adam Merrill of Laverne, California, and co-piloted by Lieutenant Dan Seymour of Charlotte, North Carolina. Now let's watch as they get to the position over where the survivor is going to be. The Sikorsky Black Hawk, or the MH-60 Tango Jayhawk medium recovery helicopter, has all the maneuverability that any helicopter has. Something that Igor Sikorsky, in his work on perfecting rotary winged flight, was able to overcome such significant aerodynamic and physics problems. But yet, this kind of maneuverability enables a helicopter to land and save somebody, or in this case, drop a cable and save someone, rather than just in an airplane throwing out some supplies or a raft. The crew of 4 consists of the pilot, the co-pilot, the flight mechanic, and the rescue swimmer. Standardization of training in the United States Coast Guard is so thorough and so complete that a pilot from Clearwater, a co-pilot from Coast Guard Air Station Nantucket, a flight mechanic from Whidbey Island, Washington, and a rescue swimmer from Coast Guard Air Station Houston, having never met one another, could board the aircraft and perform like they've been working together for a lifetime. Now, as Petty Officer Joshua Russell of Holiday, Florida, prepares to lower the rescue swimmer, Petty Officer William Ross of Little Rock, Arkansas, it is the responsibility of that flight mechanic, Joshua Russell, to direct the pilots into the proper position for the pickup of the survivor. Hovering a helicopter is kind of like standing on a beach ball and rubbing your tummy and patting your head all at the same time. But the flight mechanic has the downward visibility that the pilot and co-pilot do not have. So the flight mechanic is actually giving instructions over the intercom, telling them left 5, right 5, back 5, forward 5, up 10, down 10, whatever it happens to be. The rescue swimmer now, you can see, is being lowered on that cable. The hoist has the lifting capability of almost 600 pounds, easily able to lift 2 survivors at one time, or the rescue swimmer and a single survivor. The flight mechanic, Joshua Russell, is now calling for the flight crew to move to the right and then signaling him down. If this were an actual water rescue, the rescue swimmer would wave off the helicopter and then swim to assess the condition of the survivor. There are several ways of getting that survivor back into the helicopter. One is a rescue strop. It will connect both him and the rescue swimmer, if necessary, for both to be raised at the same time. There is also a metal basket